In C.R.I.S version 3.2, you have the ability to add an applicant to the database versus an employee. Note the two buttons in the upper right. The Add Applicant button is used when a person has not been given a TOS date yet, or if they have not yet been issued an employee number or core number. When a person is added to the database as an applicant, they will have limited access to certain tabs, which include their security clearances, any qualifications that have been assigned to them, and licensing information. Once a person completes enrollment and is issued a TOS date, their status in the database is upgraded to employee with the option of giving them an employee or core number at that time. Let's walk through the Add Applicant process to see how it differs from the Add Employee process. When adding an applicant, you can select Casual for work status, enter the last name, first name, and date of birth if available. Enter country of birth. For employee type, we'll enter commissionaire and give them a geographic region. You do not have to enter contact information or additional info at this point unless it's available or you wish to. Hit the Save button to save the applicant. After the applicant has been created, you can go back to fill in details, background, qualifications, and licensing at any time during their enrollment process. At the point that the applicant is hired, you can press the blue Hire Employee button to promote them to employee status. Here you'll be given an option to add an employee number or core number and to add their TOS date. At that point, they will get access to all the rest of the tabs. As well, once they have employee status, you can assign them to a site at your facility. That is the process of adding an applicant. Now, let's do a quick comparison of adding an employee. When you add an employee, you fill in all the information and you must supply a TOS date. You may fill in an employee number or core number, keeping in mind that all numbers are validated to make sure that there are no duplicates. At that point, they have employee status and you may assign them to a site. We hope this has clearly demonstrated the differences between adding an applicant versus adding an employee to the C.R.I.S database.